I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how attempting to make potassium permanganate at home is highly dangerous. It's crucial to understand that this process involves hazardous chemicals and requires very specific, controlled conditions that are nearly impossible to replicate safely in a home environment. Trying to synthesize it without proper equipment and expertise can lead to serious injuries, chemical burns, or even explosions. Your safety is paramount, so please do not attempt this at home. Commercially, potassium permanganate is produced through a sophisticated industrial process, often involving the electrolysis of manganese compounds. This usually starts with manganese dioxide, which is oxidized under carefully controlled conditions using strong oxidizing agents. These large-scale operations are designed with specialized equipment and safety protocols to manage the reactive chemicals and high temperatures involved, ensuring a pure and stable product for various applications. Attempting to synthesize potassium permanganate at home presents numerous specific risks. Many of the necessary precursor chemicals are not only hard to acquire, but also highly corrosive and dangerous to handle. Mixing and heating these reactive substances without precise control can easily trigger uncontrolled reactions, leading to fires or explosions. Furthermore, inadequate ventilation can result in inhaling toxic fumes, and storing homemade, unstable chemicals creates long-term safety hazards for your home. Potassium permanganate is a powerful oxidizing agent with important applications in water treatment, medicine, and various industries. For your safety and to ensure product quality, it is always best to purchase it from reputable chemical suppliers. When handling any chemical, always consult and follow its safety data sheet. Complex chemical synthesis, especially involving highly reactive substances, should always be left to trained professionals working in properly equipped and controlled laboratory environments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.